In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the front dome lights on a 2014 Dodge Dart. These instructions should also apply to the 2014 Chrysler 200. So the first step is to find the hinge point by actuating the switch. And as you can see here, they're right around the middle of the lens. Next, take a screwdriver and a small towel to pry around the hinge area. And you want to do this carefully because the plastic can break. Note the tab in the upper left. That's going to be important for reinstallation. Next, use a small screwdriver to remove this reflective cover. This will make accessing the bulb easier. Now simply pull the bulb out with your thumb and index finger. If the bulb was recently illuminated, be sure to give it adequate time to cool. Now before you put the new bulb in, you're actually going to put the reflector back first. Then insert the new bulb. When handling new bulbs, it's important to wear gloves or use a towel to handle the bulb. The natural oils from your skin can significantly decrease bulb life. Using a small screwdriver, push the switch inward. This will allow for the tab I was talking about earlier to slide into place. Gently guide the tab into place, and then line the two hinges up. Once everything's lined up, go ahead and snap the hinges back, and then test the button for operation.